Welcome. Today, let's explore the fifth normal form, also known as 5NF. This is a critical concept in database design. We'll be discussing how it removes join dependencies. Doing so helps in achieving optimal database design. So, what exactly is the fifth normal form? Fifth normal form, also known as project join normal form, deals with removing join dependencies that cannot be logically implied from the candidate keys. Let's look at the key characteristics of fifth normal form. Firstly, it addresses multi-valued dependencies that are not handled by fourth normal form. Secondly, it ensures lossless decomposition of relations. Thirdly, it prevents redundancy caused by join dependencies, and finally, it represents the highest practical normal form. Now let's understand join dependencies. A join dependency occurs when a relation can be reconstructed by joining multiple projections of itself. It represents a constraint that a relation should be losslessly decomposable into smaller relations. A join dependency is denoted as join of R1, R2 up to Rn, where each Ri is a projection of the original relation R. R satisfies join of R1, R2 up to Rn, if and only if R equals R1 join R2 join up to Rn. A relation is in fifth normal form if and only if every join dependency in the relation is implied by the candidate keys. Let's consider a scenario to understand this better. Imagine a Supplier-Part-Project database. This is a classic example where join dependencies can occur. Consider a relation that tracks which suppliers supply which parts for which projects. Here is a table with columns for supplier, part, and project. We have data for Smith, Jones, bolt, nut, bridge, dam, and tower. This relation has a composite key of supplier, part, and project, but may contain redundancies that aren't addressed by fourth normal form. Let's analyze the join dependency problem with our Supplier-Part-Project example. The following business rules apply. If supplier S supplies part P and supplier S works on project J, and part P is used in project J, then supplier S supplies part P for project J. This creates a join dependency that can't be represented by functional or multi-valued dependencies alone. The problem with this relation is that it contains implicit redundancy. Even though there are no duplicate rows, the information about which supplier supplies which supplier works on which project, and which part is used in which project is repeated. This redundancy can lead to update anomalies where changing one fact requires multiple row updates to maintain consistency. This is precisely the type of problem that fifth normal form addresses by decomposing the relation to eliminate join dependencies. To achieve fifth normal form, we decompose the Supplier-Part-Project relation into three binary relations: supplier-part, supplier-project, and part-project. Here are the three tables. The first table is supplier-part with columns supplier and part, with data for Smith, Jones, bolt, and nut. The second table is supplier-project with columns supplier and project, with data for Smith, Jones, bridge, dam, and tower. The third table is part-project with columns part and project with data for bolt, nut, cam, bridge, dam, and tower. Let's discuss the benefits and considerations of fifth normal form. Benefits of fifth normal form. It eliminates all redundancies caused by join dependencies. It minimizes update anomalies in complex relationships. It improves data integrity by enforcing business rules. It reduces storage requirements by removing implicit redundancy. It provides more flexible database design for complex relationships. It ensures lossless join decomposition. Practical considerations for fifth normal form. Increased number of tables can complicate queries. Join operations may impact query performance. It may be overkill for simple database applications. It requires careful analysis of business rules and constraints. We need to balance between normalization and performance needs, and we can also consider denormalization for performance-critical operations. In summary, fifth normal form addresses join dependencies that cannot be implied by candidate keys, eliminating redundancies that previous normal forms cannot handle. A relation is in fifth normal form if every join dependency in the relation is implied by the candidate keys. The purpose is to eliminate redundancies caused by joined dependencies and ensure lossless decomposition. We can implement it by decomposing relations into smaller projections that can be joined back to recreate the original relation. While fifth normal form is often considered the highest practical normal form, there is also domain key normal form, which represents a theoretical ultimate normal form that eliminates all possible redundancies and anomalies. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.